How do you determine which accelerator is best for you? Either a pump or an aerosol. They do exactly the same thing. The main difference is the amount of material that they deliver to your project. A pump spray, for example, will deliver more material onto your project. The aerosol will deliver more of a finer mist. So it really depends on what you're doing. If you're working with porous materials such as wood, a pump spray might be a little bit better because it delivers more material that might soak into your wood and give you a little bit better, quicker bonding. An aerosol spray would be a better product if you have a less porous type of material and you don't need to deliver a lot of accelerator to it.